Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Baddies Cook 2. And before y'all ask, yes, I am cooking for that man. I am. Because that's just what I love to do. So today I will be making grits, eggs, and cheese. I will be meal prepping that, and I also will be meal prepping and making seafood rice with a little twist, y'all. So yeah, no further ado, let's get into this meal, guys. So let's get into the meal prepping. So I will be adding some water, a little bit more water. Nothing too crazy. Sometimes when you add the water, you do gotta add more seasoning. Just add that, stir that around. And now you see how watery it is, like dripping like that. So this is how you know that it's ready to be meal prepped. I did not want to tell y'all how to make grits because everybody like their grits differently. But if you guys want me to show y'all step by step how I make my grits, just let me know down in the comments. Add more butter, because when you warm it, it will be thick and the butter will help it loosen up. So my biscuits are done. I'm gonna go and put honey on it so it could taste so good, y'all. And I do be little generous with this. Just in case y'all wanted to talk smack about my grits, as y'all can see, it's not watery. It's like the perfect texture. I know what I be talking about. So yes, guys, so when I made my rice, I did put this in there because it's full of fiber and protein. Also, when I broiled my rice, I did put seafood stock in there so it could have flavor to it as well. I will be putting shrimp and crawfish tails and crab meat in this rice. So I'm about to wash everything and then I'll come back once I'm ready to season the meat. Okay guys, so the shrimps, I don't know the measurements or anything, but I am going to season it with black pepper. And I'm generous with the seasoning. Oh, first oil, y'all. I'm tweaking. Oil first. Toss that in. Put the pepper, black and season. Like I said, I'm not scared to season my food, y'all. Alright, that was perfect. Garlic powder, onion powder, well seasoned, baby. Have meat on the stove and season it. I do like to wait until it's done and then go in and season it. So you know what, I'm gonna just do it normal. Using Cajun season. I cook by looking and tasting, baby. And again, pepper. Onion powder, garlic powder. Oh well. Put a top over it. So yeah, I'm gonna wait until that's done. I like to grill the shrimp because it gives it like a certain taste. So I'm about to get that ready, y'all. This is the grill that I will be using. I don't know where this man got it from, but it works really well. I do have to put my fan on. So hopefully y'all can still hear me. I'm gonna talk a little bit louder. smells so good too, y'all. We have these. You can put any veggies. Go in, put some more oil on there. I will be using crab meat in the can. Do y'all see how that look? That look better than this, but hey, whatever. I was thinking about not seasoning the crab meat, honestly, because I don't have so many flavors going on. But what I am gonna do, put garlic, because y'all know seafood is already salty. Onion powder and a little bit of pepper. Okay guys, so now for the fun part, we're gonna put everything together. Dishes that I have to wash, so I'm gonna go in with, and I did use 2 cups of rice, Cajun sauce, and soy sauce, and black pepper. I'm gonna put the Cajun sauce up in there. I am gonna put about probably 3 to 4 tablespoons in there. I'm gonna do 5 just for the look. Make sure it is well stir. Now I'm gonna go in with my soy sauce. I'm gonna put 1.5. Well, I'm gonna do 2. Try to work that in. I have to put more than that because put a little bit more. Mix that in. I'm gonna go in with some black pepper. And some garlic. I was supposed to put minced garlics in there, but I didn't have any. I did turn the stove off because the food is basically done. I'm gonna just go in. I'm gonna add my shrimp. Put that all in there. Cheese. Put that all up in there. All fish tails. All up in there. I'm gonna mix it before I put my crab meat in there. Up in there. I just try to do it. So I'm not really a meat person, honestly, but I love seafood. And looks so good. Seafood rice. Okay y'all, so I wanted to try the seafood rice with y'all. This is how it looks. I haven't tried it yet either, y'all. It's really good, y'all. It does have a little spice to it because of that Cajun season, but if you want more spice, go in and add the spice. But this is so perfect to me. Everything just comes together so perfectly. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this meal just as much as I'm about to. But if you guys try this, please let me know how you like it. Did you change the seasons? You know, you could customize it to whatever you want. But just let me know if you guys like it or not. Bye guys.